Hi friends, welcome to my channel Sarah's Crochet. In previous video, I have explained how to work the center circle and the first layer of flower. In this video, we will continue with the second and the third layer of flower. For the first part, I have attached the link in the description and also in the comment section. Please do watch the first part so that you can continue with the second part. Now we will see how to work the next layer. Before we move to the next layer, we will see how to complete this round. Work 3 chain, work 1 single crochet in the next chain space, again work 3 chain, then we have to make 1 slip stitch. We have completed this round. For the next round, you have to turn the work. Now we will be working on the back side of the work. Here we have to start with 1 single crochet, now you have to work 4 chain. On the next chain space, work 1 single crochet. Now you have to work 5 chain. When we go behind the flower pattern, you have to work 5 chain, and next to the flower pattern you have to work 4 chain. Here we have worked 5, previous to that we have worked 4. On the next space you have to work 1 single crochet. Again you have to work 4 chain, then single crochet on the next chain space. Now we have to work 5 chains. When we work behind the flower pattern, you have to work 5 chains. So here we have worked 5, and on the next one you have to work 1 single crochet, then you have to work 4 chain and join them by single crochet. So we have to repeat working the chains around the circle. Repeat working the chains around the circle and finish them here. Now we will complete this round. Here I have worked 5 chain. You have to finish the work from where we have started. Instead of making slip stitch, now I am joining the next color for the second layer of flowers. Now work 6 chain. Turn your work to front side. Behind this flower you have to work 1 single crochet, work 3 chain. Now we have to work the second layer of flower pattern over here. You have to repeat the same steps. Work 5 double crochet, work 4 chain, join them as usual Then work 3 petals over this chain space. After you have completed the flower pattern, you have to work 3 chain, join here, make one single crochet, again work 3 chain, in between these two flowers you have to work the next flower, so work from here. The same pattern will be repeated throughout the circle. The flower pattern will be here, here, here and throughout the work. Now we will see how to end this round. While starting this round, we have worked 6 chains. Now we have to make a slip stitch in the third chain. Make one slip stitch. Here, this 3 chain will be considered as 1 double crochet. So we will have 6 double crochet. Now we will join the next color for the third layer of flower pattern. Join the yarn and work 1 chain. Now we have to work 1 single crochet in the next chain space. Now we have to work 4 chain. In the next space you have to work 1 single crochet. Now we have to work 5 chain. Now this chain goes behind the flower, so we are working 5 chain. Initially we have worked 4, then 5. Now we have to join them in the next chain space. Now again you have to work 4 chain, join them in the next chain space. Now work 5 chains. Join in the next chain space. So the same one will be repeated for the entire circle. You have to work 4, 5, 4, 5 and the same pattern will be repeated for the entire circle. Now we will see how to end this round. Initially we started this round with 1 single crochet. Now we have completed working the chains around the circle over there by making a slip stitch. So we are going to work the third layer of flower pattern. Behind the white flower you have to work 1 pink flower. Now as usual start working 3 chain. Now we have to work 4 double crochet. Now work 4 chain, then make a slip stitch above the second double crochet, then again turn the work, then work 3 chain. Here the only difference is in all the flower pattern from first row and second round we have worked 3 chains, 3 double crochet, again 3 chain, but here we have to work 4 chain, 3 triple crochet. Instead of working double crochet we are working 3 triple crochet. Again we have to work 4 chain. So for the flower pattern start with 4 chain. In the space you have to work triple crochet instead of double crochet. Now we have completed 3 triple crochet, work 4 chain, then you have to make a slip stitch. Now we have completed one flower, one petals. You have to repeat the same 2 more times. 4 chain, work 3 triple crochet, again work 4 chain, then you have to join them by slip stitch. One more time, 4 chain, work 3 triple crochet, work 4 chain and join them by slip stitch. Now we have completed the first flower pattern. Again, here on the bottom chain space you have to work one double crochet as usual. Now we have to work 3 chain. You have to join in the next chain space. Again you have to work 3 chain. Now again we have to work another flower behind the white color. You have to repeat working 5 double crochet, then make 4 chain, slip stitch above the second double crochet. Now work 4 chain, repeat the same pattern over here. Repeat the same pattern for the entire circle. I hope you like this video. Please do like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in comment section. And please do turn on the bell button near the subscription button to receive all my upcoming videos notifications. Thank you for watching. You can watch more crochet tutorials from my channel playlist.